Hello guys, and this is Brett. And I don't know what I'm going to do this video. You know, I'm bored. You know, I'm not allowed to play out because I've just got back from Shropshire. You know, yay, I'm in my room again. Beautiful bedroom. Beautiful cabinet. Yeah, I'm back in my house. Just got back. Well, got back about half an hour ago. But yeah, you know, guys, in the 6 weeks holidays, I loved up Shropshire. We went swimming, McDonald's, everything. And you know, I'm not allowed to play out, so I'm bored. Oops, sorry about that. You know, I'm not allowed to play out, so I'm bored. Well, I am allowed to play out, but I'm not because I'm like, I just get back from a week at Shropshire without seeing none of my family. Well, family, yes, because I went to see my Nanny Sandra for a week. Well, none of my original family, like my mum's two sisters. Yeah, two sisters. And I'm like, wait, I just got back. Mum, can I play out? Wait, no, I'm going to spend time with family. I mean, I just got back. I'm like, Mum, I just got back and playing out, bye. I mean, how rude. I mean, like, couldn't even say hi. So I thought, you know, I'll say more than hi. Well, I won't say it, but, you know, I'll stay in. You know, I just made this video. So I have no idea what I am going to do if I find my 5 pennies. That means I've got oh, and yes, 1 second, I think I might know what to do. I think so. 1 minute. Sorry about that. So that means I've got 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 67. Wait, no, 62. What am I on with? Because I didn't have the 5 penny, because I just found it, and then it would have been 57. Now it's 62. 62. I've got stupid loom bands. Don't even know why. Brought them here. She's like, oh, Brett, you need to go and do something. I'm like, Mom, I don't want to. So I think I might have an idea what I can do. Money over to one side. I might have a little review of my Lego. There are my guns. And then assault rifle off Halo, but slightly upgraded. So I bought this ages ago. Some Call of Duty Lego on the back here, look. But it's a bit squashed because, you know, we don't know what it has been for. Wait, I don't think this is the actual. I think the thing is downstairs. Yeah, they're only little bits, don't matter, guys. Wait a second. I didn't even bother pausing the video because it'll only be 1 second. Yes, I do know how to pause the video. So if you guys kept track of my videos, I brought a Lego City box for you guys, and I basically built it for you. And you know, Comes with, 1 second. I'm just getting, oh, that worked out. That was good. A minute. I'm sorry that it takes the mic. I really wish I could say something, but I don't know what to say. So it comes with. Oh yeah, I need to put. It comes with 2 Lego men, a policeman. First we'll have a look at the policeman. So policeman is like any other policeman, you know, pretty bold. Yeah, and then police on the back, and then moving on from the police, let's put him over to one side with the others. 1 second. I think I have a load of other Lego men in this drawer, and I am right. There's one. All of them might be underneath. All of this Lego, I literally got box full, literally down here. No, it's like, you know, like these drawers that you can pull out. It's in the bottom one, but you can't see. It's like in there, but it's in the bottom left because it's 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 across. 1, 2. So all of the Lego men. Oh, there's 2. Badass. And then there's 3. Somebody, just a person from, I think it's Harry Potter. I've got Lego figures. I've got 2 hunters, I believe, that are there. I've got piece of land. I've got pieces of land. I've got pieces of land from Halo. I'll get all of the Halo men out that I've customised. I literally customised my Halo men. So, you know, he's got the head of an ODST, arm of a brute, other arm of I think it's a, you know, sort of grey like Spartan stuff, a Covenant, a grey Covenant, that's off their original green Spartan. Then upgraded like brute chest. So that's that. And then, you know what, I'll leave all of this. I'll put the Lego man that I just got out to one side, and let's get on with this Lego City thing. So, on with the robber. So, you know, got the robber hat like all robbers do. Yeah, he's got keys on his back, apparently. So, all robbers have got that, you know, like beardy thing, like dots. And then, okay, on with the tour. So on your right, you can see 2 Lego men. No, not really. So, anyway, here's the police jeep kind of car thingy with, you know, handcuffs and a radio, lights on the top, you know, like there, steering wheel, all good for all 4 wheels. It dries pretty smoothly. Next we have the wheelbarrow with the gems in it. You know, just putting it up. It goes pretty smooth. And then with the rubber holding it. Turn his hand. So with the rubber holding it, it will look something like this. And the gems can actually, I didn't find this out till a couple of days ago. I just got a blue gem. The crystals can actually go in their hand a bit, like that. And there's another gem, but these ones are round and fiddly. These ones are round, like a ring, basically, a golden ring. Sorry guys, battery's going low on my tablet. So like you can hold them. So we why did I say we? I don't know. And oh, with the rubber it comes with the I think it's a crowbar, something like that, some bar, and you know he holds it, you know, for trying to open secret stashes or something. Or safes or locks. Smashes it, it goes smash, 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 smash. Let's go. Smash. So let me just see if I've got that thing. It's this kind of refrigerator, don't need that. The lamp, don't need that. That might come in handy. The horsey, do not need that. Land, do not need that. I don't know where it's gone then, because I swear I had it. This is it. I put it up here. Duh. So yeah, there's one on it that I've just simply just put a Spartan armor on it. So here's the bike. It's pretty badass. The turret on the side of it. Just go put it up a bit. So I think that is all to it, guys. That has been 14 minutes and I'm gonna hit 10 seconds. Okay, and bye. What? Why you do this to me? Okay, I'll do it 20 seconds. And okay, bye.